Hold on, 1 second, make it come up. And as it jump up, the pussy then coming like a flyer and I don't really love, they love me. You see me? Already, then ready. Oh, yeah, she go bring him down. And this year, she bring him down. You see me? I don't bring down we do. We just want things to do right. That's all. Yeah. IG, I'm back. And it's all good. So hold on now. I'll make somebody hold the phone. Because Tony Rebel, I still see him as a general in my eyes. See, then there, man. Ready to go. So, let me switch on the camera. So that we can officially say it, yeah, so. And the bridge is not going to say what we are saying to the eye then. Alright, see, switch on now better. Yeah. Turn it on with it. Yeah. Turn it on Lalibella first and make him say what him said to me a while ago, and then we can come in together now and tell the world, say this year, a unity and peace in a family and community we are dealing with.
What may I say is out of I and I, commit love. See this daughter here?
Go in eye, then see your face.
Is love, bring her come in the earth. You see it? Her name is Tanzania, I love her more than myself. That's so yeah, and it's her Queen Ifrica daughter. So here what I say now. You see for this year, our peace we say. When I mean peace I it, you know. Our peace are that, you know. But peace and love. You see what I say?
In our
oneness,
family,
in our
community,
in our community, in our country.
The differences what we have turn around here so now. The differences what we have as a people. We're supposed to can amicably work it out and everybody come a rebel salute, and we have a rebel salute at the show. We're responsible for people well-being in front of the year as well. For the whole year, and that me defend over the years, and those rebel tall body way having 9 pants.
Hey, you don't have to talk that.
You have to talk. It's the culture. It's the culture where we represent for and the country where all our love. So when I see the first half in the anguish and the anger, I want to see the brethren and my daughter and Ryan Bailey the creator out of it. You see what I say? And we there saw Matilda's police station and we have fixed it before we leave here. So moving forward, a family unity we are saying.
A family unity. Here what? You see Rebel Salute, it built on 4 pillars. Culture, community, family, and education. And we have to understand say sometimes certain things start out of anger, but we have to know to say he who angers you conquers you. And it is more dangerous where hatred and anger is stored than where it is poured. So we have to say peace. Me and Queen Ifrica good in it. We have to know that.
Kinda.
Good, we're good.
Alright, so I want Adam to know, say, yeah, love can in some of the situation, them man. You see me? And we are there, Rebel Salute, I represent for the show, because you don't know, a family we say in a real life. And Tanzia walk out on stage to Sedway, and whoever else walk out, so we want to see behind them.
So let me tell you something, Queen Ifrica is a real great artist. Although me and her, me's a fan of Queen Ifrica from the first time here. I love her voice and I love her. You know what I mean? Although we're not together, it don't mean say I love dead for her.
I wish you man buy a slippers. You're ugly.
I mean buy slippers. But you know what now? You see she born out of Queen Ifrica. She born the day when I meet Queen Ifrica. 2 years after, the day when I meet her. And I'm going to tell you something. Nobody, me not say, we're talented more than her.
What about again the
Nobody talented more than her. She is one of the wickedest singer and DJ me know as young people. And time.
Family man.
Time.
One Jamaica, you know, one family, you know. A unity we are serving now, each fan it, no time.
True.
You see me? No more blood and family killing, man.
No, we're not.
Make a reason around the table and sort out things the way how it's up, whether public or private. Them things that we can cut out now out of our country.
So when we meet at the table, we won't be meet at the table. So you're not going to eat we at the table. We're going to meet at the table and work out all differences because everybody different, everybody have different opinion, everybody have different experience. So I saw it have to go, but at the same time, we must can agree on certain issues. The family issues, we have to agree upon that. Education issue, we have to agree upon that. You know what I mean?
And you have to get more vocal as a man where have a baby mother for 23 years, you can still come in front of the world, come show you a lifeline and say, nah, in your hand and no box. You still have to go vocal in terms of where our man reach now and how these issues I deal with, and that's where the respect I come from. We don't do pretend and do things to people because we don't frighten the people. You hear that?
True.
Yeah, man.
So the world for know. And the world for know.
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's Europe and resolve, man.
Yeah, man. Resolve.
Yeah.
And that we deal with, you know, resolution. We deal with solution. Problem will come up, yes. My sibling them have problems. But
the baby mother them who know me I come from, we have to stop it. Get the kids them together. Get the kids them together so that the man them can even breathe too. I don't know they can't control the body part of things. But at least control the children them. You understand what I say? I make love reign in the way you call blended family.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Love for reign, man. That was say, man. Oneness. Oneness. You know to know that people are oneness percent. Yeah, no separation, no segregation.
A family, man.
Oneness. Family. Community.
So see the item of rebel salute, you know, 19 and 20th, you know, nothing can make with this rebel salute. You hear that? I people showing a real life Jamaica last hope in the music. You hear that? That is it.
I like that. That's our next tagline. Yeah, Jamaica last hope in the music.
The queen of the tagline there, man. Boom! In our enemy head.
Yes, blessed.
Fully endorsed by me.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Some of that, yeah, man, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Some of that swan said to the item, just take care of the item self and love the God in you. You see what I say? Love life and do things for the right reasons. No other reason but the right reason, right outcome. So yeah, I'm going to rock it a rebel salute the 20th because I good over evil. We say no good now suffer for no more bad. Love you know.